What is up, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to check if your machine is compatible for Windows 11 and whether you can install it if it's not. Let's go. Alright, so let's just jump straight into it, and I'm going to be using my laptop to install Windows 11, and we're going to check if my laptop is compatible for Windows 11. But as you might have guessed already by the title of this video, it's not, and I'm going to show you how to check, and we're going to see what's wrong with it. So let's just jump straight to it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to navigate to Microsoft.com, and then we're gonna click on Windows, then we're gonna click New Windows 11, how to get Windows 11. And over here we're gonna click on Check for Compatibility. And in order for you to check for compatibility, you have to install the PC Health Check app. So let me go ahead and do that, and it's gonna download. As you can see, it's pretty light and it downloaded already. By the way, in order for you to download the PC Health Check app, you have to be enrolled in the Windows Insider program, and you have to sign in into your Microsoft account that is enrolled in Windows Insider program. And if you don't know how to do that, or you don't know anything about Windows Insider program, please go ahead and check out the video that I recorded earlier. That was the previous video, and I'm gonna leave the link in the top right corner, so go ahead and do that. It's super easy, by the way, and over there I'm gonna be talking about the different channels, flighting channels, and how to choose the right channel, and how to sign up for Windows Insider program. So let's go ahead and install. Once you downloaded the app, you're gonna click install. You're gonna accept the agreements and click install. Alright, and we're gonna open it. And as you can see, introducing Windows 11. Let's check if this PC meets the system requirements. So we're gonna click check now. And as you can see, it says that this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. And why it doesn't meet it? Because the processor isn't currently supported for Windows 11. So I have Intel Core i7-7500U, which does not meet minimum system requirement, even though it does, but it's not supported for Windows 11 because this is a 2-core 4-thread processor with the memory clock of 2.7 gigahertz, and the minimum requirement is 2 cores with minimum of 1 gigahertz clock. But still, it's not supported. And if we're gonna go ahead and click on more supported CPUs, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click supported Intel processors, and we're going to try to find Intel Core i7. Yeah, you will see that i7-7500U is not in the list. So yeah, it tells me that this is not supported. And if you see the rest, it supports Secure Boot, it supports TPM 2.0, it has at least 4 gigs of memory. I actually have 16, and it has 1 terabyte, and it is 64 gigabytes is what is required. It has 2 or more cores, and the clock speed is higher, but it's just that that is not on the list. So let's see if we can actually install Windows 11. And I'm already signed up for Windows Insider program, and in the previous video I was showing that. So if we go to Update and Security, you're going to see that I have Windows 11 Insider Preview Core Release. Alright, so I can actually install it. So let's see what happens.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, and the installation is done. As you can see, now it suggests that I restarted, and it says that it's going to take just a little longer. It took about an hour to install Windows 11.
The next morning.
Alright guys, I left it all night. Actually, it's the morning the next day. So let's see what happens. Alright, so as you guys can see, we got ourselves Windows 11, and we got ourselves Windows 11 on an unsupported laptop. And looks like no issues so far. no blue screens of death, no black screens of death. So yeah, that was about it. And I'm gonna keep you updated. And if there is any issue, I'm gonna report it. But so far it works, even though Windows claimed that my processor wouldn't support it. Yeah, so if you signed up for Windows Insider program, you installed the PC Health Check app, and you went ahead and it says that your processor is not supported, but everything else is okay, you can still try and install Windows 11 on your machine. But please make sure that you remove all the valuable information from the hard drive that you're going to be, or solid drive, whichever drive that you're going to be using, either to another drive. Like in my case, I moved it to another drive. I have one hard drive and one SSD, and I moved all the info from my SSD where I have my Windows to my hard drive. So do the same, or put it on an external hard drive, or whatever you have to do so you don't lose it, because you never know what might happen, and I don't know yet. I'm just gonna try and test it out, and I'm gonna keep you posted if there are any issues that I see. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe and go ahead and try Windows 11 for yourself right now. So I'll see you all in the next one.